Hello everyone, my name is Freites Isaías. I am 20 years old. I am from Caracas, Venezuela. I am studying English 6 Mention of Operations. I'm talking about that the GPS, Global Position System, receiver is a display system used to show the ship's location with the help of global position satellite in Earth orbit, with the record of the ship position, the speed, course, and the time is taken to cover the distance between two market positions can be calculated. The GPS project was developed in 1973 to overcome the limitations of previous navigation systems. GPS was created by the USA Department of Defense and was originally run with 24 satellites. It became fully operational in 1995. There are currently 30 active GPS satellites in orbit. In addition to GPS, other systems are in use under development. GPS also allows you to save positions, which we call waypoints. You can also string a number of waypoints together to create a road, taking you from point A to point S. Navigating with GPS is usually the most efficient and easiest. Other use, for example, anchor alarm. A feature of GPS that is useful in particular is the ability to set an anchor alarm. Security system. Some of today's systems allow you to interface with your ship GPS from afar. If your GPS is not working, with your other electronic on board the ship, it can also fulfill a number of additional functions. It can let the autopilot know where to steer. Perhaps more importantly, give your VHF radio the ship position date. Now I'm talking about that the automatic route plotting aid ARPA. The system can calculate that the track objects, course, speed, and closest point of approach CPA. Thirdly, know if there is danger of collision with the other ships or landings. Development of ARPA started after 1956, when the Italian liner SS Andrea collided with the MS Stockholm and then Fock. The first commercially aviable ARPA was delivered to the cargo line MM Train in 1969 and was manufactured by North Control. Now of power converse, more maritime ARPA enabled radars, standard and integral ARPA. The initial development and design of ARPA were stand-alone units. That is because they are designated to be addition to the conventional radar unit. All of the ARPA functions were installed on board as separate units, but need to be in fact with existing equipment to get the basic radar data. The primary benefits were cost and the saving for a ship already equipped with radar. The majority of ARPA manufactured in the 21st century integrate the ARPA features in the radar display. The modern integral ARPA combines the conventional radar data with a computer data processing system into the one unit. ARPA display from the time radar was first introduced to the present day. The radar picture has been presented on the screen of a cathode ray tube. The radar picture of a raster scan synthetic display is produced of television screen. It is made up of a large number of horizontal lines with a front parent nodes as a rasters. The most obvious advantage of the raster scan display is the brightness of the picture. This allows the observer to view the screen is also allowed at the condition of ambient light. Thank you for your attention.